Hi, I'm Pereira and I'm a graduate of Universal Business School. I came here to complete my bachelor's in business administration and I have not been disappointed. UBS has been a platform wherein I've been allowed to grow into a truly global citizen, hence the universal. When I first joined UBS, I was afraid I wouldn't fit in. But since day one, I've never had to feel that way. Both the faculty and my classmates have made sure that I was truly a part of UBS. Whenever I approached the faculty, they never hesitated to answer my questions. They never said, no, you don't need to know this. They always said, we need to learn in every way. Every day is a learning experience. So if I had a simple but silly question, my faculty member would laugh, but they would tell me the right answer. When I first met all of my batchmates, I was nervous. But over the years, I have learned that they are some of the best people I've come across, and I'm very grateful to UBS to introducing me to these people. Hopefully in 5 years, I'm still talking to every single one of them, and everyone here is pursuing their dreams and aspirations. UBS has taught me not just to focus on the academics, but everything that life has to offer. I've not only learned how to write research reports, I've learned how to debate, I've learned how to communicate, and it has offered me various opportunities to grow both intrinsically as well as on paper. UBS is a place you come to become the best version of yourself. When you are here, you are truly immersed into a rigorous academic program with some of the best faculty, with the best experience one can offer. UBS has provided me with a unique opportunity. Instead of simply completing my degree in India, I am allowed to pursue my final year at Cardiff Metropolitan University. The idea of studying abroad is something I've always wanted, and to be able to actually pursue my dreams is a great opportunity, and I'm excited to go to Cardiff. I hope to understand how someone lives on their own in a foreign university and truly apply everything I've learned at Universal Business School over there to impress not only the faculty, but to make my professors at UBS proud. Universal Business School changed my perception of what university is supposed to be. When I first came, I thought it was going to be all about the academics. However, over the years, I learned that nothing is more important but growing yourself. You need to be the best version of yourself. And so UBS gave you a platform to grow both intrinsically as well as extrinsically. I've learned from an international curriculum how to write research reports and papers, how to cite my sources, and truly understand a global perspective. But on the other hand, I've been given an opportunity to learn how to debate, to communicate, to negotiate. I've learned how to play sports, I've learned how to make friends, and it's a place I came to not expecting a lot, but received a lot in return. My parents really didn't want me leaving the country when I started my bachelor's, but I really wanted to. So when I found out about UBS, it was perfect. I got 2 years in India next to my parents and 1 year abroad all on my own, and I was excited. UBS is unique. It gave me an opportunity to learn from an international curriculum with an Indian perspective. It was something that I was not expecting, but truly excited to pursue, and I've not been disappointed. Ethical decision making is a key part of being a good businessman. Here at UBS, I've learned not only the scientific and theoretical parts of ethics, but I've also learned how to apply it in a day-to-day and case-by-case scenario. Furthermore, I've learned how to truly respect and treat the environment with care. It is our home, and we need to treat it in such a way that it will last for generations to come. Finally, experiential learning. UBS would not be UBS without experiential learning. It is a core function of what is used here to teach you the values of a business degree, and I've learned countless things through experiential learning. It is no longer about learning just theories, but I've learned how in a business real life situation, when there's a lot of stress and pressure, you need to find the correct solution. And only through all of the workshops we've done over the past years can I say truly that I'm ready for the business world. Universal Business School is a place you come to fully inculcate yourself into the life of a student. You are not a part-time university student where you just go to the university for academics, then go home and do your life. You live here, you breathe UBS. Everything you want to pursue in these 2 years, UBS gives you that opportunity. It is in the middle of this beautiful place, and you spend your mornings with the fresh breeze, you spend your evenings playing football, and all the hours in between, you're with your faculty, learning new things, spending time with your friends, growing as a human being. So I really would suggest anyone to come to UBS, because this is the place where you want to get your bachelor's in business administration. I really want to thank UBS for providing me this incredible opportunity to grow both as a human and a learner. I never thought the day would come where I felt satisfied by an education, but today I am sad to leave this place. I want to thank my faculty, my classmates, and everyone involved at UBS for providing me a holistic learning experience. Thank you.